guys, how are you all? Welcome to my channel. I'm Ananya, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make an easy card for someone's birthday. So today let's make the card now. So to make this card, the materials needed are, you need 3 cardstocks. I took light blue, white and light green. Then you need Fevicol, a scissor, a hard punch, a disco tape, a pencil, 2 sketch pens of dark green and light blue, light green and dark blue color, 1 black sketch pen, 1 compass or rounder, 1 scale, 1 pencil and 1 eraser. So without any further ado, let's just start on with the video. If you are new to my channel, then do subscribe my channel and like this video and share this with your friends and family. So let's start. First, I am folding this paper into 2 halves. Just fold it like this into 2 halves, like this, and now open it up, and in the center we will take the compass and a pencil. We'll take a compass and a pencil. We'll fasten the pencil into the compass like this. The level should be okay. Then I have just fastened the pencil. Then in the center of the paper we'll make a circle. You can choose any of the paper. Just ensure that you have to make it on this side, like it will open like this. So here I'll make a circle. Don't have to make a very big circle, just a small one. So this is the circle. Now you have to cut out this circle with the help of a scissor. So how to insert a scissor, like just first insert the scissor into the paper like this, then cut off the paper till here, and now you have to cut this circle out. So guys, by this method I neatly cut out my circle, as you guys can see. Now what we have to do is, now just fold it like this, and now we'll take these flowers. I'll just take out some of them. You can even make papers, flowers by yourself, but I'm using these flowers. So what we'll do is, we'll just put some flowers like this here. We'll arrange them like this, like this here, this. So like this way. I think 4 flowers will be enough, so I'll put off this inside. Now you have to stick them with the help of a glue. You can even use Elmer's white glue. I'm using Fevicol. You can use gum, any adhesive, but I have these kind of papers, so Fevicol will work well. So I'll be sticking all of them like this on the borders of my circle. Start from here and then just stick all of them. This way I'll be sticking all of them. Just put a little glue and stick. So you guys were telling me from a long time that do tutorials of all the cards you show. So this time I also planned a tutorial, as you guys are seeing. So this way I have just done it and it's ready. So now what I will do is, now I am taking this paper. For the decoration, I'll just stick this off here. So you guys can suggest down that is my choice okay, because I don't know like which would look better. So I'll just mark. I'll tell you the centimeters what you have to take. I'm taking 5.5 centimeter. So you guys have to measure 5.5 centimeter, and from here we need 14.7 centimeter. So I'll cut off this paper 5.5 and 14.5 and I'll show you. So now I'll just cut it off. So now I have cut this off and I'll get my card back. I'll put it this side so it looks. Now I have to paste it like this here. As you guys can see, I'll be pasting it now. I'll be putting it and pasting it. Now I'll stick it here. So as you guys can see, I just sticked it. Now it's looking a little plain, so I'll add a little design to it. What I'll do is I'll add some stripes. So for adding the stripes, I have this. So from this I'll add some stripes here, vertical or horizontal, it's your choice. I'll be adding like this. Like this, I'll be doing it on all of this blue part. So this way I striped all of this and it's looking very pretty. Now we move on to the inside part. So here in the display we have to write happy birthday. So I'll be writing it with this only. Just beautifully write happy birthday here. I hope the brightness of this video is okay. Happy birthday. So it's looking very cute. And now the leftover blue paper, I'll take my heart punch and I will be needing one heart for the decoration. So we'll just insert it inside the paper and we'll get one heart. So I'll be gluing it here. And I'll be taking the heart over here and I'll stick it. So this looks cute, written happy birthday. Now for inside it would look better. So using these washi tapes, I will decorate this part also. As you guys can see, now I'll decorate. So two sides I will put washi tape. I'll first take this one off. I will be sticking this washi tape here. So guys, here two sides I've sticked the washi tape. Now I'll cut it off like this, and it's like this. So it is looking very pretty. Now I have a little part only of this left, so I'll use another tape for these sides. I will be using this tape. These tapes I got from Personalize My Planner when I won her giveaway. So I'm using these right now. So this much would be enough. You'll be overlapping it and just doing it here, pasting it. So guys, I've sticked the washi tapes all the sides. So now I will just cut the extra ends of the washi tape. So now I've cut the extra ends and a birthday card looks like this. Now if you need some further decoration, I'll give you some tips about that also. So guys, on this paper I have cut some hearts with the help of the punch, and now I'll stick them on the top of my card. What I do is I'll just glue this part here. I have done, and now I will stick them. What I'll do is I'll take this part of my heart and just put it here. This is the way to stick a heart, because they are so small they'll not come in your hands. You can stick by this way. The glue marks will disappear after some time, so that doesn't matter. Just stick all of the hearts like this. So guys, our very pretty birthday card is ready. So I hope you guys like the tutorial. So do like, subscribe and share, and do comment down below how's the tutorial and what more do you want. Also do check out my recent community posts so that you can get updated about my channel updates, and do press the bell icon for latest updates and to get notified whenever I upload a new video. So bye guys, meet you in my next video with another good tutorial. So bye.